Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create logo using Canva for PC. So open the Canva apps on your PC and you're just going to log into your account and go to more, and you can select the alright. To make it simple, just going to search for the logo, just type logo. So you can find the logo templates and select the template you like here for your logo. For example, customize this template. So just edit for templates. You can change for the text and also change for the color of the logo right here. Change for the image. Alright. So change for the text according to your content need. So after done, you're just going to share and download for your logo created. I hope this information was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.